Hello friends, I'm going to talk about difference between function and sub, okay, in VB script or when we use in UFT QTP. So now I'm going to tell you about what is function. So function is basically something we call it and use it for our purpose. Let's say I want to get the addition of two number by calling a function. So basically function returns a value. Okay, so whenever we have a function, there is a associated value has to be there, otherwise that will be treated as sub. Okay, so here suppose I have created a function called fn underscore add, so which will accept two parameter 2 and 4 and add this 2 and 4. So here I am accepting the value x and y, okay, and then I'm storing in function name. So this basically goes back to call, and it stores the value in sum1. Sum1 is a variable which I have created to store the value of two number addition. So as soon as control comes to the line number 7, the control goes to line number 14, and that's where it this fn underscore add accepts two value x and y. So 2 gets stored in x and 4 gets stored in y. And once control comes to next line, that is line number 16, it adds two number x and y, that is 2 plus 4, and the value gets assigned into the function name itself. This is how we actually return a value in a function. Okay, so let's run this and see the execution, how it happens. So basically I'm using the older QTP version, that is what I'm having. So currently when you see this, I'm getting the output as 6 and 30. Okay, so 6 and 30 is the output. So first output I have got here, addition of two number that has been printed by using print statement to the output console, okay, of QTP. Now this is the output we have got. First output as a 6. Next is we have sb underscore add, where one more thing, guys, sub do not returns a value, and when we pass the parameter to sub, we cannot mention parenthesis. So as soon as we give the parenthesis and save, okay, so save the script, we will get the error, okay, that we cannot use parenthesis by calling the sub. Okay, now what is the error? We want to view that, right? So let's save it. Okay, so here we are getting the error message. So now we need to remove this and save it, so the error message will be removed. Now once the line number, the control comes to next line after printing 6, it will go to sub, okay, where we have defined the sub here. So sub basically accepts the parameter by value, and 10 and 20 getting assigned into I and j, and we are adding those I and j and storing into sum2 variable. and printing it here. Here itself I'm printing, because sub do not returns any value. That's why I'm printing here itself. Here function returns a value, and that return value getting stored in sum. So this is the basic difference between sub and function. Function returns the value, sub do not returns the value. Other than this, I want to highlight one more thing. If you call a function, okay, which do not returns a value, then that will be treated as a sub, okay. But we need to remove function name. This means that we cannot call it. So whenever a function gets called, okay, so there must be some value has to be stored. Now no error message. So function is what? It returns the value. Sub is what? Do not returns the value. So function may also do not returns the value, but that will be treated as a sub by VB interpreter or compiler. So that was a major difference between sub and function. So guys, if you like the information, give thumbs up or subscribe our channel. Do comment, share. Thanks very much for watching.